Hello everyone, and this is Siddhant, and this is the first coding video of our channel Code with Sid. In this video, I'm going to show you what is Unity and the basic things in Unity. So, as you can see here, here's the basic editor of Unity. So, if you don't know how to install this, you can just go on Chrome and search Unity installer, and you can install the personal edition, which one is free if you want to install the free one, and you can also install the paid when it's on you. So I have the version of Unity Hub 3.0.1, and I have the editor version of 2021.2.14 F1. So you can install both by after you install Unity Hub, you can go into installs, and here you can install the editor version by install editor. So I've installed the 2021.2 version. So this is the editor. Here are the two things. This is called the hierarchy. Here are two things: directional light and main camera. So main camera is the view that the viewer will see while he plays the game. This is the game view. So here's the basic thing. Means if somebody plays the game, he will see this. So this is the inspector. Here we can see the properties of our object we have selected in the hierarchy. So here's the position, rotation, and scale. So position means the x, y, z coordinates. Rotation means the rotating thing of this object, and scale means the size of the object. We cannot upscale the camera because it has to be of the same size. So as you can see, we can move the objects with our this yeah, and here are many things. This is the view tool. We can move our editor with this. This is the most basic things, move tool. We can move our object with this. This is the rotation tool. We can rotate our object with this. And this is our scale tool. We can upscale our object with this. We can upscale our camera. So I'll just quickly show you by creating by creating a 3D object. So for creating a 3D object, you have to right click in the hierarchy, 3D object, and then you can create any object. So I'm creating cube. So this is the cube. You can move this by using the move tool. You can move our editor using this view tool. I can also rotate this anywhere I want, up, down, and anywhere I want. So now I will show you this also. This by this we can increase the size of a cube. This is the red tool, so we don't need it now. We will need it when we do the 2D one. So yeah, there are many things like that in this Unity. So basically, we're just gonna use the view tool, move tool, rotation tool, a scale tool, and yeah. So we can see here. So now I will show you how to create a basic platform in this. So we can just name our cube in the inspector as platform. Yeah. So here we can see the properties of our cube, like box collider. This is the collider, like the place where it collides, the place will detect it. This is the transform, means the position, rotation, scale. So now if I want to increase its scale, means I want to increase the size. So here I can just write a 5 or 6, anything, it's on you. Not 56, 5, yeah. Y, suppose I want it to be 0.5, I want it that, and Z, I'm doing it 30, not 30, let's do it like 10, okay. I'll change the Z also to 10. It's the platform. Now we can focus on it by hitting F after selecting it. Focus on it. Let's go to the game view. Here, so this is the main camera. The view of the main camera. Here it is. So if I drag it here, we can see here the main camera. How will it look? Just drag it here. Yeah, okay. have this. Okay, it looks good. Yeah. Now let's go into game view. As you can see, our main camera. The user that's playing this will see through the main camera. Now let's create another 3D object. Like this time, let's create a capsule. So this is the basic. We can call it the player. And as you can see, we can move it on the platform. But I'm sure one thing. See, now when we press the play button, as you can see, it's loading. Okay. So now the play button has started, the game has started, but the cube is kind of flying in the air. So we don't want that to happen. So what will we do? And don't forget, if you are on play mode, if you do anything, nothing will happen because the things will not change in the play mode. So make sure when you are in play mode, you don't change anything. You want to change something, you should be out of the play mode. So now if we want our object to act to fall when it's in air and the real gravity things, so we have to add component. So components are nothing but the basic, we can call it scripts, the already made script, ready-made scripts. So if I want to add the gravity, you have to add the rigid body component. So when you type rigid body, you will see rigid body and rigid body 2D. So we don't want rigid body 2D, we want rigid body. So when I click on it, the rigid body component is here. So now if I enter the play mode, now as you can see, it fell, and that's acting like a real gravity, as you can see. So that's it for this video. Hope you guys like it, and let's meet in the next video. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Bye bye.